Hello, this is Alan Mooring. I just wanted to take a few minutes to let you know you don't have to take any risk in doing these revenue share programs that I'm doing. But I found that they're some of the most reliable and consistent earning programs that I've found to date. They're not true investments because you're actually purchasing advertising in most cases here. And that advertising is the product or good or service that is sold to you. But with that advertising comes a return of capital, and the amount you spend for advertising is greater, or the amount you spend in advertising is less than what you get back. So it is a suitable way to add an income stream or several income streams to your life. Now, that may not make sense to you right off the bat, but I did want to let you know that you can just track what I'm doing every day to see what my progress is. I've been an investor for 35 years, have run a joint venture automated system trader business with a gentleman that I met trading his systems, and we were quite successful until two of the major brokerage firms that we were trading with had the heads of those firms misappropriate their client funds. In other words, they stole their client funds. So after that and several other problems I've had in the market, I've decided to move some of my investment money into these revenue share programs, and I couldn't be happier that I did. Over the course of time, as you get to know me, I can explain why I like these so much, but for now, let me just show you how you can track my daily earnings. Now, I have several programs here. I started with a program called My Advertising Pays. This is an international business. It's one of the mainstays of the industry. I found that they're very consistent returns, not high returns, but certainly higher than you can get from the market. Recently, they've closed selling advertising in the United States, so I'm just pulling all of my capital back. Thankfully, the head of the company, Michael Deese, is a reputable guy, and he's allowing us to pull all our earnings out. He's not just cutting us off. So I'm no longer able to do My Advertising Pays, but I'm still pulling the money out of the system. The second one I've tried is Traffic Monsoon. This one is similar. It's, I guess, a fairly reputable company, but I've had a problem with getting adequate support with this company. I don't like their support system. I know they're hiring more people and trying to train those people, but sometimes it can take me weeks, sometimes as much as a month, to get questions answered. And those are questions that aren't really simple questions, but the ones that need particular attention. I've had that happen twice, and it takes quite a bit of time. So my personal feeling is I've gotten all my money back from Traffic Monsoon. I don't know that I like this one. It's not my favorite, but there's many people who use it and are happy with it. My favorite of all the revenue share programs to date is My Paying Ads. I find it pays very high returns. It seems to be run by a reputable gentleman, and I have never had a problem with this site. I know they're growing very quickly. Since I've started, they've more than doubled in size, and I think I started here on 8/29. And if you go down this column, and you can track this every day this will change. But I've made over $10,000 since, what did I say, August 29th. So that's quite a bit of profit, and I'm pulling that profit out most every day. I know a couple days ago I ran a quick fund bonus where I gave out daily earnings from all of the different programs together to whoever has funded their My Paying Ads account. And there was only two people who actually purchased shares, and both of those were already paying members. But since I'm doing so well with these programs, I've decided just to split the $400 and I think it was $76 between the two of those gentlemen. So I'd encourage you, once you feel comfortable, you can get started for as little as $5 with My Paying Ads. And so, yeah, here it was. The 10/24 was when the contest ended, and I've split $475.64 between two people. So anyway, if you're not comfortable getting started yet, I will follow up with you from time to time and just let you monitor my earnings. Every day I post these results at about 5:30, 6 o'clock Central Standard Time, Chicago time, and you can kind of track my results here. If you have any questions, please send me an email. My contact information is up here. If you live in the United States, you can even give me a call, but you can send me an email. Or track my earnings if you have any questions. I'm always here, so always willing to help. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.